In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to change your hardware ID on your PC. To do this, you can simply, in your keyboard, press Windows plus R and type regedit. And in here, type in the local path is computer \h key underscore local machine once again software /Microsoft /SQM client, and hit enter. In here, you would see the machine ID here. You can simply double click it, and for example, I'm going to change the last few digits to 123, and that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.